Hi, welcome to Fusion Cooking channel for one more great video. Today in Fusion Kitchen we are going to make broccoli potato rice for 6 or 7 months plus babies. It is very healthy, very tasty and very nutritious. Look for fresh broccoli. It should be stiff to feel and lush green in color. Broccoli has a lot of healthy nutrition like vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, and it has a lot of fiber as well. And broccoli is considered to be one of the superfoods with a lot of health benefits. It has fiber and it is helpful with the digestion as well. So take the broccoli and break it into small florets, about a half cup worth, something like this. Take a medium sized potato, peel it and clean it. Potato is rich in minerals like manganese. It is very good source of vitamin C, vitamin B and folate, and it's rich in antioxidants and very healthy food for digestive tract as well as for skin health. Take 2 tablespoons of rice. We soak this rice for about 1 hour. You can take Sona Masuri rice or basmati rice. Add the cubed potatoes to it. Add 1 cup of water. Bring it to boil and cook on medium flame for about 10 minutes or so. Just before turning up the stove, about 3 to 4 minutes before turning up the stove, add the broccoli florets to it. Keep the lid on so that the nutritional value is not lost. Let it simmer, and even if you see a little water, that's fine. As long as the rice and potatoes are cooked, it should be good. For bigger kids like 1 year plus kids, you can just mash it with back of the spoon or fork and serve it as is with little seasoning like salt and pepper, something like this. For younger babies, you can just add a little bit of pepper and blend it to a fine puree. In Western countries, like they serve it at the age of 6 months, but if you have doubt, you can start it at 7 months plus. Add a little bit of ghee on top of it to add more flavor. This is a very healthy lunch, very filling and easy to digest and good for the gut health of the baby. Hit like button now and share your comments below. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.